how to correctly back up Binance Web3 Wallet. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important point. Let's get started. To get started with Binance Web3 Wallet, follow the key steps to ensure your assets remain safe and accessible. Start by opening the Binance mobile app, navigate to Wallet, then select Web3 Wallet and access the backup settings. In the dashboard, tap the gear icon, choose Backup Wallet and then select a preferred backup method. There are two options, Cloud Backup and Manual Backup. Cloud Backup uses Google Drive or iCloud to securely encrypt and store your private key. On the other hand, Manual Backup provides you with a 12 or 24-word recovery phrase, known as a seed phrase. The manual backup is considered the more secure. Binance cannot help recover your wallet if you lose the phrase, so it is critical to store it safely. Write it down on paper, never screenshot or save it digitally, and keep it in a secure offline location such as safe or fireproof box. To finish the process, Binance will ask you to verify parts of the phrase by entering specific words. Your Web3 wallet is non-custodial, meaning only you have access. If you lose your phone or delete the app without a backup, your assets are unrecoverable. To restore your wallet, simply go to the Web3 wallet screen in the app, tap import wallet and enter your recovery phrase to regain access. Let me know if you're interested in learning more about secure storage methods for recovery phrases. That's it.